Truky Aromatherapy Essential Oil Diffuser, Ultrasonic by Truky is one of the best sellers among baby humidifiers products. Make sure this fits by entering your model number. Stylish appearance. This aroma diffuser is created from handmade glass. The patterns of each product are unique and has a sense of art. Easy to clean 120 milliliters water tank. BPA free to keep your life healthy. Perfect for bedroom, living room, study, office, yoga, spa, baby room, etc. The best gift for your friend. 7-color LED light. This aroma diffuser have 7-color night lights for your choose to fit your mood. 2 spray mates continuous spray and intermittent spray. The humidifiers will auto shut off when the tank runs out of water. Safe and reliable. Whisper quiet. Adopted ultrasonic technology. This aroma diffuser is extremely quiet when working. Add the essential oil you like. Quiet atmosphere can provide a calm and comfortable working and sleeping night. Natural humidifier. It's also a humidifier. Change the dry air in the room, giving your home a fresh, fragrant scent. You can breathe healthy humid air at home. It brings convenience to your life. Warranty. The manufacturer's Aroma Essential Oil Diffuser provide 30 days money back and 12 months worry-free warranty. 24 hours customer service support. Please feel free to contact them if you meet any question. Color, cloud blue. Product operation. 1. Press misting button, right 1, to turn on continuous misting mode. Press twice to turn on intermittent misting mode. Press third time to turn the misting off. Misting takes up to 10 minutes to reach full output. Misting output will vary from different indoor temperature and humidity. 2. Press LED lights button, left 1, once to changing light. Press twice to steady color light. Press third seconds to turn off the lights. 3. The unit will automatically shut off when the water level gets too low. 4. The light function will only work if the mist function is turned off. Specifications. General glass size. 4-7, 8 inches 8-5, 8 high, 125 mmd, x 220 mmh. Product weight. 160 to 735 grams. Power, input-output, AC 100-240 V 50-60 Hz DC 24 V05A. Length of cord. 59 inches 150 centimeters. Electric consumption. 12 W. Tank capacity. 120 megaliters. Materials, PP plus glass. Method of mist production, ultrasonic vibration at approx 17 MHz. Perfect for multi-occasion. Keep your skin hydrated and moisturized. Your good night sleep helper. Maintenance. After using 5-6 times, or 2-3 days, please clean the product as follows. Unplug the unit from main power source. Unplug power cord from base of unit. Pour out water remaining from the drain side of the tank. Wipe with a soft cloth. Avoid ultrasonic vibration plate area, which can be gently cleaned with a cotton ball. Never use other acids, enzymes or detergents, as this may risk poisonous gas to be created or cause malfunction. Package contents. 1 by 120 milliliters diffuser. 1 by adapter. 1 by user manual.